Here's a quick application of using the AutoFit feature in here for the Breakline extraction tool to basically pull out a rail line. First, you got to start off with some guideline. You can either use the template tools, which behave similar to this, but this is more of a step-through confirmation. So we can use these tools to either get both rail lines and then use the rail center line tool to get the final line. You could use a trajectory line. You can trace and drape in here. You could use the extraction by intensity tool as well to get some line going and then maybe move over. But once you have this line, you'll hit start. You're going to use the auto fitting portion here. I decided to set my template first, so my red point where I wanted it to be, and I had template points only in creation order. Okay, and then basically I added a bunch of non-adjusting template points, and I just added it in this order. And then you can kind of pick and fine-tune how thick this needs to be for the envelope portion. So I decided to go with a little bit smaller. And then you could just obviously test it out by moving forwards and backwards. As long as it's fitting properly, you're okay. And then also, I'm doing one side at a time. If you want to step at a specific interval, I have handles every, in this case, I believe 3 units. And you can actually force it to step to vertices and all that. So you can copy these settings. I'm obviously looking on the right hand side. I'm not taking care of both at the same time. This is just one to give you an idea. And then once you're ready to go, you hit start and then basically accept your first position. It goes to the next position and so on. And now we're basically building our line work. If I go into our options, let's go ahead and sync our view here, just so we can kind of follow along. Also, too, you can use enter. So instead of hitting accept, you can hit enter to just confirm this. Okay, obviously if something messes up, we can pick our template up and then we can do a visual fit, hit enter and move on. I pick it up from here because if you accidentally grab one of these X points while you're trying to actually grab the red point, you can always just get rid of that by hitting end on your keyboard. And that's pretty much the idea. Thanks.